Alright, what's up YouTube? Alright, so today is tech day, and also I'll tell y'all where we go later. But today's tech day, so we gotta get the car ready to go tech it in. To show y'all what it's gonna look like. I'm tired, but I know what I'm gonna do is, since the car's already wet from raining, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go wipe it down. Once we get on the Bradenton side, if I ever be dry. So probably what I do is I just rinse it off over there because it's wet over here. So yeah, let me get to that and get the car right down. Get Jasmine waked up here in a little bit, and yeah, go from there.
Oh, hey guys, didn't know y'all was there. Hey, but I need y'all to do me 4 things. I need y'all to like, share, comment, and the big main thing is subscribe. I need y'all to watch my videos. Let's get monetized. And then when I do get monetized, everybody's happy. We can do giveaways. We can do whatever is gonna make everybody happy. Peace, y'all.
All right, y'all. So we're in the car on the way to Bradenton to go get teched in. Weirdo. But we're on our way to get teched in. See how this goes. Meet up with a couple of people. See what's going on. That kind of looks like a V3 to me. What you think, Jazz? You see it? Hold on, let's see if it's a V3. False alarm. Wasn't a V3. It's the body, but not the actual V. But yeah, so like I said, we're on our way to the track. See what's going on. Rinse off the car. I pre-washed it, so but it's raining. Oh, if my camera will focus. There we go. We're on our way, coming across the ocean. And yeah, see y'all in a sec. Well, yeah, it's not raining over here, so hopefully it's not raining near Bradenton, because that's about 23 miles away. So as long as it's good there, man, we should be smooth sailing. But we're about to meet up. Well, I don't know if they're gonna beat us there or not, but the wagon, Chris, we're gonna meet up with them here shortly. I already pre-washed the car, so the rain that was just on here, I'm just gonna rinse it off with soap and then go back over with water. And yeah. You got a sleepy head in there. But I'm gonna pump this gas. Man, look at this. I'm about to go and see how fast. Alright, y'all, we're here. I started showing y'all some cars in the shack, but I got to figure out what the hell's going on. Alright, so I'm about to give y'all a time lapse of all the cars that's here that I can see that's been through that's going through tech,
and on back to the Cadillac, and we can go see Felicia and them here in just a sec. So here we go. Fun fact for first-time dragging drivers. So if you go to Tech, make sure you got every single thing you need for them to check off. So you don't need your clothes, you don't need your tools. Make sure you got your drag radials. Make sure you got your damn trailer, because we didn't have a trailer. We had the radios, but we didn't have the trailer. So, yeah. What's up, y'all? I'm about to get my beat by Jasmine. I didn't know that you're supposed to have your trailer with you. We're supposed to take in at 1, and it is now 1 almost 15. And I'm on my way back, kind of low on gas over there, but I'm gonna make this work somehow, some way. Look, this is the electric F-150, but is it electric? No, it just got a blue stripe on it for, like, I guess the police thing. But yeah, so y'all keep y'all fingers crossed that we can get back in, because we left right, like at 12:20 to go get this thing, and the directions that the lady gave me at first, we went the wrong direction, then we had to sit at the lights for like 10 minutes and all together. So yeah, now I'm trying to make everything work out. So talk to y'all in a sec. So today has been very uneventful, other than like us driving really fast with or without the trailer on the back to go get the trailer. So we're still in the tech line. Like, we barely seen any racing, no testing, anything. But here shortly we're gonna be going to the Freedom Factory, so y'all see that. When the next best part of the trip happens. So we're in Tech, right? So after those pictures I just showed you with the merch and stuff. Okay, also okay, so you see the shirts, right? Okay. Hold on, let me find the t-shirt. Well, let me just take this one off and I'll just show you, and I'll put it back on before I show you again. Duh. Okay, now granted, this is an older shirt. I wear my shirts a lot more than y'all would. So tell me, y'all saw the front. It just say
Right there in that corner say BBLR. So tell me if this is something y'all interested in the comments. Also, if there's certain colors that you guys would like, also put that in the comments, because I want feedback, and I actually want you guys to actually buy them, enjoy them, and let's make this thing happen for us. So let's get back to the story. Okay, so the next best thing happened when I was showing y'all the merch, and I just told y'all about the t-shirts as well. Okay, so we're sitting in the tech line, and we're getting really close, so close. Like, we at this point we can see the tent, and it's getting dark now. It's like right before the sun drops completely, and I get a call from TK, the guy that I borrowed the trailer from, and he was like, "Hey, you're in Florida, right?" I'm like, "Yeah, I'm at Brayton. I'm at the track." He was like, "The truck broke down, right?" "Yeah, the truck is in Monroe." And he was like, "So why's my trailer moving?" I'm like, "Bro, I don't know. It's supposed to be at the lowboy lot at Donnie Plunk's Towing." And he was like, "No, it's moving." So then we hang up at that point, right? So he calls me back like 20 minutes later. He was like, "Hey, so I reported it stolen. It was supposed to be where it was at." He was like, me personally, at first I called. I said, "Hey," I said, "this is London. Y'all towed my truck the other day. And it's the trailer safe." "Yeah, man, it's in the low bar lot. It's nah. Okay." So he calls, and they're like, "Oh, you don't need to be talk to us this way. But that's his trailer that y'all said y'all was storing, and it's safe, and it wasn't, right?" Cool. So at this point, everything is just chaotic, because we're trying to hurry up and get text. We wanted to try to make a pass maybe, but that wasn't going to happen. They're about to close down the Freedom Factory, and we wanted to make it over there before they shut it down. And now the trailer is stolen, So, yeah, you'll find out more about the trailer tomorrow. All right, so now we made it to tech. We got the sticker on the car, and now we head to the Freedom Factory.
Look like grow motors back there.
I thought I ran over my third cone today. Well, it's really my second, but so we were teched in back there on the backside, and now we're at the Freedom Factory. So I'm gonna record some stuff. I don't know what we're gonna be doing, but it's gonna get recorded. She's still pissed off at me, y'all. Y'all see she ain't nowhere near me. But let's go over here and see what we got going on. Look at this. What are you doing, man?
I'm going over there.
Don't pass out. My voice is cracked. And I think this guy's gonna do the outro for y'all. King, hey, tell them what you need them to do so we can buy you new toys and stuff. Okay. All right. Bro, I know. Okay. So let me translate that for them. Okay. Hold on. No, hold on. Wait. Hey. Oh, I'm in my room, y'all. It's messy. So I'm a boy. I'm a man, not a boy. Okay. So King said, can y'all please like, share, subscribe, and comment and tell everybody? Because he wants new toys. We need new toys. So thank y'all, guys. See y'all later.